Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I have exciting news today. We are going to add a new addition to my collection. Currently my collection is made up of Bubble Giant and the Hummer Giant. When I was scouring the internet, I came upon this seller selling Cephalotus on eBay. And this Cephalotus has the UC Davis and OG Black parents. It is nicely packaged. Alright, here we are. So what do we have? Okay, very nice. Alright, so I see some rock wool. So let me just put that out. Now I've never purchased a Cephalotus offline that is already planted. Back in the days when, back in 1995 and forward, everything that you purchased online or the Cephalotus that I purchased were just twigs and packaged. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. So it comes in a pot and it's wedged in there pretty tight. I may need to repot this. Yeah, I'll have to repot this. So you can see it's in there quite tight. Oh wow. Holy smoke. Okay, so it looks like everything in here, it was growing in rock wool. And so here's the plant. Very interesting. Let me do a close-up. Alright. So it is very nice. No damage whatsoever. And it's all rock wool. How about that? Wow, he wasn't kidding in his description that it's grown in rock wool. And you can see the root penetrating the rock wool, so that might be difficult to remove, which I am not going to remove. You'll probably do more damage to the plant than anything else. So if I take a look and remove all the moss that's growing all over it. Okay, here we go. What a beauty. What a beauty, indeed. Well, I'm going to post a link to his store in the comments below. He sells other versions as well. This one just happens to catch my eye. And yeah, and you can see there's a lot of roots growing from the base as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pot this up into one of my containers. I'll probably use a 4-inch pot for this. Alright, so here we go. That's the unpotting. Ducbog is the plant name. And the parentage is UC Davis and OG Black. thank you, Mr. Online Seller, for raising such a magnificent plant. And one of the best ways for collectors to get new variants or clones, is to look for sellers who have their own personal collection, who goes through the effort of crossbreeding, stratification, growing the plant out, and then producing more plants through vegetative propagation. So, very beautiful plant. Watch part 2 for the potting up, and talk to you later. Bye folks. Oh, remember to like and subscribe for more.